chandra-ed.harvard.edu. DS9, Imaging Analysis Software. Every year, there is a major question on there that has 5 or 6 sections that came from screenshots from DS9. If I trusted technology to work, you saw it was a little iffy here this morning, if I trusted technology to always work, then I would have computers and we'd actually be using that software at national competition. But since it's only a 60-minute competition and you can't trust things to not go down, then I settle for screenshots. So, there's 2 ways to do it. You can go to chandra-ed.harvard.edu. You'll have to do that either way anyway. And it shows you how to download this toolbox to your desktop, and it's very small, takes up very little space. And there is a tutorial on how to use it. Or you can go directly to one of the DS9 activities in the education section. For instance, I would strongly suggest one called Investigating Supernova Remnants. And do that activity. And if you do that activity, you don't have to read the tutorial because every one of these activities and investigations teaches you how to use one tool as you go. So it's sort of like Photoshop, you know. You don't have to learn all of Photoshop to use one tool in Photoshop. So going through the activities might be a better way to go. And this is what it looks like. And all of these analysis tools, this is the real deal. The software is the real deal. When you ask it to do something like produce a light curve or an energy plot, that command, you choose which server is actually going to a server farm here or at Rutgers University, and those analyses are being done in Linux and shipped back to you. Okay, so this is not cheesy, bogus, manipulated, false imaging tools. They really are the exact same tools, okay? So, and trust me, there will be a question in 2012 with screenshots from DS9. aavso.org, again, as I said, actually some of you might be familiar with it used to be called Hands-on Astrophysics, variable star materials in this big blue box with stars on it that I used to pass out at the coaches' clinics. Now, with support from Chandra and AAVSO being willing, we transitioned that big box into PDFs, and it is now available on the AAVSO website. This is an entire curriculum on variable star astronomy. So if you want to know more about light curves, then this is the place to go. Again, I wrote it. Again, consistency within terminology. Okay, and I have 3 astrophysicists that I trust, that I ask questions of, because you can ask 5 astrophysicists the same question and get 45 different answers. And some of them don't know how to bring it down enough that I can understand it well enough to explain it to you, okay? So I have hit upon 3 people. I ask them questions whenever I have a question, so there's consistency with, this is now called Variable Star Astronomy, the Coach's Manual, and the Chandra Educational Materials. All of the future astronomy and Reach for the Stars events are going to be posted on the AAVSO website. We make, and I will try to get the Stellar Evolution and Variable Star ones from the past on there also. Again, I'm the holdup here. I need to get that done. But those will all be posted at aavso.org. And if you are going to be doing this event next year, if you're not a senior, everything that you learned this year about Type 1a supernova will be very advantageous to you, because next year, the following year in 2013, the topic is going to be Type 2, stellar revolution and Type 2 supernovas. And in 2014, it's going to be stellar evolution and variable stars, and it will be using the variable stars from the variable stars that you will have already had in Type 1a and Type 2. Are there any questions? That was a lot. That was a lot. Again, you want to have either a laptop or a 3-ring binder. You want to put together, don't just download pages and stick them in a binder. Don't just download pages and stick them on your laptop. The people that I see, they kind of blow me away. You young people blow me away. I have seen people put together spreadsheets that have the content. They have the deep sky objects down one side. They have the specific content across the top. And all they have to do is click on a square and up opens a picture of the image, mathematical relationship of the image. They have it so incredibly cross-referenced. The same thing that you would do with a 3-ring binder. And you would have this section, this section, this section. But you are so familiar with what you put in those sections, you can go to it just like that. It doesn't matter which one you use. But you should put together the pages yourself to either put in the binder or put on your laptop. It's a resource only, okay? You don't have to memorize any fact or formula. That's not what this event is all about. This event is meant to give you an appreciation of the extraordinary phenomena that take place in this universe that you otherwise wouldn't know about because you don't have astronomy in school. Okay? So, if you've got any questions, you can ask them. And thank you very much for coming. Greatly appreciate it.